We all love the awesome WhatsApp business integration with GoHighLevel, but one of the most important parts of using the WhatsApp integration is obviously onboarding for yourself and your customers. Well, there is an awesome part of the WhatsApp integration that we have to show you that goes over all of the crucial steps that a customer needs to go through whenever they're getting set up on WhatsApp. It's its own little onboarding tool within the platform, and it's really cool, so let me show you how it works. So after a user navigates to settings, then to WhatsApp and purchases a WhatsApp phone number and gets it all set up, they'll now see this What's Next tab at the top right-hand side. When they click this, they'll see a couple of steps, including create your first template, integrate chat widget for WhatsApp channel, send your first bulk WhatsApp campaign, create your first appointment booking flow, send your first WhatsApp message, and send replies to WhatsApp via workflow. Now, these are all really cool because this is going to allow your users to go through this entire workflow in order to see what they've completed, what they haven't, and as they click each one of these buttons, it will take them to the corresponding page within the WhatsApp manager in order to get these steps completed. So as they go through each one of these steps, it will onboard them just like that, hyperlinking them to different parts of the platform. There's nothing you have to do to enable this or set it up. And after a user completes all of these steps, then this will remain right in the top right-hand side so they can check in and make sure that they have completed everything they need to do to get set up with WhatsApp. And it will stay there in case your users need any help getting set up. This is awesome because it makes your WhatsApp onboarding flow so much simpler because you simply send your customers to the WhatsApp page, they pay and sign up, and then the platform takes it from there. I love little features like this that make onboarding customers into HighLevel even easier. So if you want to get started with this, navigate to WhatsApp, try it out for yourself, and let your customers know that they can get it set up with WhatsApp on HighLevel. This is an awesome feature. If you have any questions, leave a comment or refer to the help doc. And as always, thank you very much for watching.